Hey, good afternoon. This is the upgrade, so I'll go straight to the video. I don't want explanations. This is my diesel fuel tank that fuels my diesel heater. Common sense. All fitted beautifully. It's nice. Someone did say, I did say I put it on here. I made a bit of a boob there, but that's nothing to worry about. You should turn it around. You can't because it's oblong. It's not square. Anyway, that's not the point or the issue with this video at the moment. When you buy these tanks off eBay, if I can find them again, I'll put a link in the description down below. Okay, so when they come, you've got an option of what sort of cap you want with it. Now these are supposed to be, I put this cap in, this is my modification. When it came with it came with just like a rubber seal on the inside, which was absolutely bloody awful. I thought it was a brilliant idea, but the rubber just perishes and drops inside. There's probably quite a few people out there who had the same problem. So my solution is, this is my solution, it's up to you if you want to do it or not. When you buy your diesel heaters, or you can buy fuel line, or you can buy anything, but you can also buy this sort of thing. This is a fuel valve off one of the diesel, the tank that comes with your diesel heater, because I wanted a bigger tank, and this is solid bit of kit. Okay, I wanted something solid that wasn't going to leak, and I can travel with it and it's fine, and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, so if you take this right and put this in here, so in that corner, probably that corner would be the best bet. So which I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it today, I've got time today. Anyway, so, and this is still working, but I do get a little bit of residue. You can see a bit shiny around there, nothing much, I can't smell it. But when you're going along with these original caps, when that rubber goes and this is slushing about, you get this awful smell of diesel in the van. Well, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do, probably when it gets a bit warmer, I'm going to pop this. So you've got rubber seal at the bottom. You've got a rubber seal. You can see where they go. You can see how they fit. Hold on. Let's focus. Here we go. So you got a rubber seal at the bottom, then you got a rubber seal. So what you do is you drill a hole in, I think it's an 8mm hole. You pop this bit, this bottom bit, just bear with me a second. That's better. So the idea is you're going to drill an 8mm hole in the tank, and you're going to put this part, so you can, because the idea of that cap is big enough you can put your hand in. So the idea is you put your hand in with this part in thy hand, drill all into corner there, push this through, so this nozzle, so this little nozzle here is sticking out, alright, then you're going to put this nut on top with that rubber on, so that goes on top like so. I'm not lecturing anybody, this is not, I'm just going to show you, this is a bit of it's another hack that you learn as you go along. There's probably professionals out there, so well, didn't you know that? No, I bloody didn't, that's why I'm telling you. So that will go on, that will then seal this and go in there. You're thinking diesel will come out of there. Yeah, it probably would. And fumes will. But then what you do, you get a little piece of rubber pipe, the black stuff, the thin stuff, whatever you want to use. You put it over there, over this end of a nozzle with a little clip on it. Then you get that black pipe and you run it from here. So this will be there. 2 seconds, let me just screw that in. So let's say that's there like that, out the way, inintrusive, and then that wire, the pipe will come up there, go either through here, through my carpet, out, there's a hole in the bottom, and I'm going to put the rubber pipe, which I will do, from there, out, down, and through, and the floor. And now you're thinking, well, why haven't you done it? Why haven't you done it? Well, the reason why I haven't done it, because when I priced this cap on its own, I rang the company up and said, like, we've got a problem with it. She said, well, yeah, it's £15 plus VAT. Well, for that, 15 quid, the whole bloody thing only cost me about 30 quid with the cap on. So you're telling me that's £15. So if you do decide to get one of these tanks, you can buy it with or without, what do they call it? They called it something, valve or something, with or without valve, or without, anyway, the valves are crap. This is crap because it's got a little rubber on the inside, and it gets either hard or it gets soft, one of them, and it won't pop up. It's been working all right at the moment, it's fine. because you can see the diesel heater going now anyway. So the idea is I'm going to replace this with a blank. So I'm going to look for a whole blank, or I'll whatever I'll do with that, if I have to put glue on it or something which is non-perishable by a diesel, and then I'll do it that way. So there's a bit of a hack for you, just to let you know that, yeah, you still get a smell. So if you're going to buy a tank like this, buy a siphon, or a, what they call it, you know, you can buy one of those with a long tube in it, which is about, on mine, if you go down here you can't see it, but it's about 1 inch from the bottom. Okay, fitted that using the good strong white plastic stuff. You can buy all this from eBay. You can buy the plastic pipe from eBay, you can buy them from eBay, put one of them in, and then put a little tube like this, even just this sort of stuff, just this tube on there, down through the floor or wherever there's a gap, and feed it outside. No more smell, no more spillage, safe as houses. All right, take care. If you enjoyed that one, give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be fantastic. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.